Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, AVAX looks very similar to many of the other cryptocurrency charts that we're tracking right now. We could still form a possible 5-wave move to the upside here to confirm that a substantial low indeed formed on the 5th of August, which could then send us to new all-time highs, or at least close to these. But you know, as you might know, we need that initial 5-wave move up really for clear probabilities, because until we get 5 waves, this is just a sideways range. It's just a corrective. It's not even a rally. I mean, it's just a consolidation period here, and we just need the 5 waves up. And I have, for the blue count, which is the bullish one, added a support area. It's between $22.39 and $23.98. And as long as this is holding, the blue count has a chance, okay? But is it a high probability scenario? Absolutely not. It would require a break above resistance minimally to make to clarify that the blue scenario is indeed unfolding, but even that would not be confirmation. We just need those milestone targets reached. For example, in the blue count, okay, which assumes that a larger degree low could have formed here and a substantial bottom that was in August. In this scenario, we have an ABC structure in wave 1, an ABC in wave 2, an ABC in wave 3, which would be ABC in A, B, and then there would be a C wave rally, but it needs to reach $39.55. Then we need to get a wave 4 and a wave 5 and have 5 waves up, okay? But there is much more work to do. So this 5-wave pattern could be a diagonal pattern. Can we rely on it? No, not on diagonals, okay? They need to prove themselves. For now, the next step, how the bulls could prove that the diagonal is unfolding, is with a break above initial resistance that's located between $27.20 and $29.20. But the yellow, the white count is highly likely, because the rallies are all just corrective. They are all just corrective. And until we get really a solid 5-wave move up, in which the 3rd wave gets to 39.55 and the 5th wave to 44.35 plus, the white count for another low is highly likely, okay? You might say, but what if we break above resistance? Well, it wouldn't be clearly bullish. It would be less bearish. The X wave could easily extend, because as long as it's only a 3-wave move, the bears can easily make a comeback. So in the very short term, I did say that I'm tracking that resistance area, which is located between $27.20 and $29.20. So we could be working on an ABC structure currently in a small B wave rally within that Z wave down of wave 2. And I mean, as long as we stay below resistance, there is no confirmation that something more bullish is playing out, right? So we can track here maybe another leg up into resistance, and then we have to watch how the market reacts to 29.20. Any break above 29.20, if it's sustained, would make me watch that C wave in blue. We have a clear target for that. It's 39.55. Should we get a 5-wave move up to $44.35 plus, then we can call that wave 1, and then we will watch for a wave 2 pullback, which would form a higher low, and it would be wave 2, and we can then add a support area here. And that is a high probability setup at the moment. We're just dealing with a bit of a sideways mess there, and the price doesn't give much clarity at the moment. But there are levels to watch, okay? But the price could easily break out either way. But then, yeah, I mean, upside targets are clear. To the downside, what happens if that Z wave down is unfolding? Next target to the downside would be 16.96, before then another major reversal attempt could be made. That's the update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.